Ah, okay. Yeah, hello amazing customers. I welcome you to Steven Stone Design. We do a delivery of a granite stones across the country, and I will make this video for you to see the granite stones. Look at the granite stones, you see. Very nice and beautiful, as you can see. So nice and beautiful. So this one is 30 square meter, 21,000 Ghana cedis. This one is 30 square meter, 21,000 Ghana cedis, which is 1,500 pieces. This one to 1,500 pieces for 30 square meter, 21,000 Ghana cedis. And today we are doing a delivery of a 3 pallets to a customer. Come here. Everything. Oh, right time will come. Oh, time. Is it? It's okay. Davio, wait, you know. I was a hano. I call her more in a house. Yeah. See, I know it go like too much. If I come back so much more. See, you can't see. No, if I come yes. See, man, you can't see.
No, you go.
No, like can't see here. No, you say yeah, no. It's supposed to be small for you.
Balance, no. Balance over there. Glass in the bone. Ba. You mind?
Okay. It's your own say.
No. Ba. Okay. That's good.
Say only say. Only say I normal. Arekame. Say what? You go one side there. I beg go like this. I beg you. So whatever they give us a call, we do a delivery across the country. Use the granite stones. Bye bye.